Hi guys, welcome to Cyprus Real Tech Reviews. I've been getting a lot of questions about why this stock Android, this Eon um, interface and how we can change it. There's quite a simple way to do it. Um, First of all, right, I'm using the stock interface because I find it a bit more easier now. It just does what I need it to do. Okay, but if you really wanted to change it, then you're gonna go to the Play Store. Now, before we go any further, I've got to remind you that if you wanted to change your launcher, it might slow it down just a little bit due to the processing unit that's on this. Due to the processor that's on this unit. So let's just go in, and due to the fact that Eonon doesn't really optimize its software that much, I have used Atoto before, and it felt a whole lot more optimized. Sorry about the shaky cam. I'm trying to do this with my phone. It felt like a whole lot more optimized than Eonon. But other than that, um, you know, it's fairly good. So now, if you went into your Play Store and you put in search and you put car launcher, let's see, where are we? Car launcher. It'll come up with a bunch of launchers that you can put for your car. There's car launcher Pro, Auto Zen, Agama, Web Guru, stuff like that. And they're basically, I'll do an example for you. I'll download Agama. All right, I'll download it and I'll install it. Right. So basically, it's that easy. Exactly what you do on your phone, you can do on your Eon head unit. It is that easy. So this is Agama. It's quite easy to install. You get to mess around with it. There's some some things you need to do, like let's say your music app won't open music, so you need to long click and dedicate an app to it, or the phone won't open. Again, you need to not download, but dedicate everything. It's quite easy. You just press on it. You go to app, right? You find the phone app, which in this case is Bluetooth, and then you close it. You can rename it, blah blah blah, all that stuff. It's quite easy. So then it opens up your thing. So there's that, right? So then but what I did was I went, due to the fact that this is Android, you can put Nova launcher, which I'll install right now. No, because I cancel. Is it on this device? There it is. They're sneaky, that Play Store, aren't they? You don't see that it's like that smart launcher is sponsored, and you hit the sponsor button. That's not what you search for. Anyway, so now we've got Nova launcher. Let's skip setup here. All right, so we've opened it up. This is the way it is. The good thing with Nova launcher is that you can set it up any way you want. So your home screen, the icon size, yeah, desktop grid, the dock. You can completely change everything on it, and that's how I managed to get mine looking the way I did in some of the videos. But like I said, I sort of enjoyed using stock themes. So now you just move stuff around, but you know what I mean? It's that easy. Just like you would on your phone, the same thing. And you can add gestures on Nova Launcher. That's why I like Nova Launcher a lot. You can make it your own. But other than that, that's all it is. But due to the fact that, the they don't really optimize Eon is, although it's a good head unit, they don't optimize their software, the Android software. Couple of examples is, I like in every on my phone. Sorry, my finger's blocking the camera. On my phone, I like to remove all the animations, um, which I can't do. I haven't found a way to do it. I've been through pretty much all the settings on this unit, and although it being Android 13, I think it is Android 13, you cannot remove the animation to make it a bit more faster. So, yeah, Eonon, if you're listening, I would like it if you'd done that. If you could, um, sorry, if you could have, you know, close to, a bit more closer to stock Android, would be nice. The ability to put widgets and remove widgets, that would be nice. I don't want to have to resort to downloading Nova Launcher or Agama or any launcher just to use my car stereo. As well, I'd like it if you put like some gestures, like the way Nova Launcher has. It would be nice, just like a normal tablet where you've got, see these buttons up here where you've got them as software buttons. That would be nice. So please put those. But anyway, I digress. That's what I did on these on those other videos. I had Nova Launcher installed. Okay, so for anyone, hit me up down in the comments if you need any help. I'll be glad to help. I haven't been answering any comments because I've been trying to concentrate on other stuff as well. And at the moment, life's a bit difficult with work and everything. So I am planning on bringing out a couple of more videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Share the video. I hope this was helpful for you. And have an amazing weekend. Bye.